nakaganyan ka. Oh, diba? Kanino to? Parang ang haba ng pila dito, te. Oh. Tara na.
Digiplex Mobile Experience. Kick Mobile.
Joseph Marco, at pakinggan ang ating Pilipino sa Pilita. We have Heaven Baranejo!
Juanito at Leandro.
I love you since 1892. Mapapanood nyo na sa September 6.
Sabay-sabay natin lakbayin ang mundo ng pag-ibig at kasaysayan kasama sina Carmela, Carmelita, Juanito at Leandro.
Maraming salamat, Araneta! At marami pa kaming hinanda para sa inyo tonight. Pero sinong Fever Canta ba ang gusto nyo next na mapanood?
Para sa mga STV Codem, para sa inyo to.
Bingo! Here are our Fever Canta song. Seducing Drake!
Para sa sarili because we will be playing, yes, the cast of Seducing Drake Palma.
November 21! But the question is, sino kaya is gonna join us for Book 2? Viva Canta! Let's watch this! Touch our hearts really. Everyone here, the Viva family, we are so grateful for each and every one of you. You know, we know that you guys, some of you traveled a long distance to get here today. We know know, and we really appreciate that. And for all the fan projects that you guys do for us, thank you so much. Your unwavering support is really, truly cherished to us. And secondly, to our Viva family, Boss Vic and the Del Rosario family, Boss Vincent, Boss Val, Boss Veronique, and Tita June, maraming salamat. Because if it wasn't for you guys, we would not be here on this stage today. Right, Ash?
Tama. At saka sobrang na-appreciate na.
Really proud of you. Ash, I truly want to say that I truly appreciate you. And starting my journey, you know, I wouldn't have wished to have done with anyone else. You are not only a blessing in my life, but a blessing in many others. That being said, nagulat ka ba? Nagulat ka ba?
Oo! Na-speech kasama wala akong kasabi, pero proud na proud din ako sa'yo. And sobrang happy ko rin na ikaw yung kasama ko ngayon. Uy! Asya ko pala! Piling mo ang kapal ko,
Sasabihin ng everybody!
Grabe, napakakilig dito! Galing! Pati yung paling kilig. Grabe, sobrang kilig. Pero ganito na nga, guys. Please give it up for Ashlyn Orviga and Andres Unay! On your new movie, guys. I'm sure super kilig at excited na naman ang buong Araneta, di ba? Yes, but sabi nga nila, all things come to an end. Kahit ang bonding natin. Pero syempre, bago matapos ng gabing to, gusto namin ulit magpasalamat sa buong Viva family. Diba, Andres?
Yes. Thank you so much for this opportunity na we're all here together. Sa buong Viva Casa sa isang concert.
Yes, to our bosses, maraming salamat po. Wala po kami dito kung hindi po dahil din sa inyo. To Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, Boss Veronique, Boss Val, and Boss Veronique. We love you.
Yes, and tonight we are honored dahil ang overall show director natin ay ang same director of AMSET FanCon and AMSET OST show, Alamat and some of the Popstar Royalty concert, Saturday's concert. Thank you so much po, Direct Paul. Maraming salamat po.
And of course, to the whole production and crew of Viva One. Yes, maraming salamat. Salamat sa inyo lahat. Lalo na Pressure, maraming salamat sa inyo! And syempre, at sa mga magmamahal ko, na Juanito, Carmelita, ayan. Sa I Love You Since 1892, maraming salamat po agad.
We also couldn't thank you enough sa support na kina Alice and Grace.
Shoutout sa lahat na solid STV dyan!
To those who also supported
Thank you for loving and accepting Sandy and Elise in our hearts at syempre ang pagbubiling ng IGAP sa Black News. IGAP, thank you so much!
Hindi namin na-expect pero bayad na agad dahil yan sa inyo mga ka-viewer kada. Maraming salamat po!
Yes po, asahan nyo. Marami pang exciting moments sinasama. Don't lie there. And speaking of asahan, this 2025, marami na rin dapat asahan ang abangan sa Viva.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga fandoms na nagpunta sa Will Bears
support ninyo. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And with that, mga ka-Viva Arcada, here are the newest offerings of Viva One this 2025. And one day!
Your Viva Arcadas from Seduce Great Panama! Your Viva Arcadas from Gachino! And your Viva Arcadas from Abundiana Section E!
Masarap ate! Engineering masarap! Masarap! Engineering masarap! Masarap! Engineering masarap! Masarap! Engineering masarap! Masarap!
Kawayan po natin yung mga bisita natin. Bilisan po natin, 1:30 na. Yung may mga regalo, ibigay po natin sa security sa harap. Sige po, tuloy-tuloy lang po, yun nasa gilid. Security, sa gilid o. Cash, sa harap tayo, Cash. Pakiguide po si Cash sa harap po. Sige po, sa security na po, ibigay natin po yan. Tuloy-tuloy po, tuloy-tuloy po. Tuloy, tuloy-tuloy. Bigay ko po sa security yung regalo, makakarating po sa kanila. Tuloy-tuloy lang po.
Jairus! 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 Jairus!
Hey guys, so I just got home from Hivercada concert and obviously ala akong boses from last night's concert kasi guys, sobrang daming pasabog. Kung napanood niyong buo tong vlog na to, grabe yung pasabog. Actually, by the time na mapanood niyo tong vlog na to, maybe na-post ko na sa TikTok or IG ko yung mga ganap nung araw na to. And also, follow me on my page kasi dun ko din i-upload to lahat. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you guys for watching and you reached this end of my video. And see you on my next vlog. Sobrang daming Wattpad adaptation ng mangyayari. So, ayun lang. Bye!